Well, hello, YouTube. How are you all doing on this beautiful day? I hope you all are doing well. I'm here to do a video on today. I decided to sit outside since we're having some pretty decent weather, but it is a little chilly. But I just wanted to sit outside here and get me a little fresh air. I tried to seem like something was on my screen there. But yeah, so I'm gonna sit outside today and do a video out here in nature. I've been sitting out here for a minute listening to the birds, watching them fly, looking up at the beautiful sky. Even though we have several chemtrails up in the sky covering that beautiful blue color, which represents the throat chakra. So yeah, I decided to come out. Like I said, I decided to come out here and do a video. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, I just want to welcome you here. This is a channel about metaphysics, spirituality, divination, and astrology. Okay, and yeah, so this is what this channel is all about. That's what we talk about here. And yeah, so I just want to welcome you here if you're new, and I just want to give a big shout out to my subscribers. And if you like this channel, I want to ask you to please subscribe and hit the like button because YouTube is really getting a little funny lately with the algorithm. I don't know why. It's like I get some subscribers in the next 2 or 3 days. I be done got cut down by 3 or 4 of them. So I really don't know what's going on. But we're not gonna worry about that. But like I said, I'm here to do a video today. I had took some notes, and I want to just talk about the importance of detoxification because we got about 3 more weeks. Y'all, this year is going really fast. We got about 3 more weeks before spring arrives, and I think it's March the 20th, if I'm not mistaken. And I had said this, what I'm going to do. I consider the first of spring really the first of the year. Now that's just me, okay? Because the reason why I say that because everything is new. The vegetation and the trees and stuff beginning to bud, and the grass begin to turn green, And to me, in my opinion, that makes much more sense for that being the first part of the year, because like I said, the weeds and flowers and stuff begin to sprout. Just like I saw a field of well, not a field, I saw a patch of dandelions, and I was like, wow, that lets you know spring will soon be here. Okay. And so I just want to talk about today the importance of detox. I'll get tongue twisted. I just want to talk today about detoxification, the importance of detoxification, detoxing your body to where you'll be able to be more intuitive and be able to connect with spirit. Because I tell you, if we carry a lot of toxins in our bodies, from food, from from inhaling, because a lot of us work in the workplaces, and we may work where there's different certain type of smells that may be toxic. We carry all that in our body, and you know, anytime you inhale, and breathing, you're breathing that stuff in, and so the liver can only do so much. So, I always have believed in detoxification and spirituality, because sometimes when you carry a lot of toxins, sometimes you cannot think clearly. Sometimes you're not as sharp or not as intuitive as you would normally be if you was clear and clean. So yeah, so that's what I'm planning on doing, a juice fast. Coming up to the first of spring. I'm planning on doing, maybe it's going to be a 3 or 7 day juice fast, just to reset my body and to give it a reset, and just give it a rest from all the food and stuff that that I've been eating. And another thing I'm planning on doing, because I have a nice size backyard, and I'm really thinking about doing me a herbal garden and also some vegetables as well. So I'm thinking about doing that, but I want to do uh, the raised bed garden. I was just thinking, thought I had my earbud in. I hope y'all can hear me. But yeah, I want to do the raised bed gardens in which I'm thinking about having maybe two or three of them because like I would like to have some vegetables and I would like to have some herbs like basil, bay leaves, sage, lavender, um, rosemary, thyme, oregano, things of that nature. Because with not only can you use those herbs for cooking, but you can use them in your spiritual work as well. So I'm really thinking about doing that because it's getting so now. Like I had made a video earlier saying that we going may have to go back to the old time way of doing things, and that's gardening. Maybe having some chickens, and I've been thinking about getting some chickens with the price of eggs lately because it's ridiculous. I bought a 24 pack of eggs for 18.99. Almost, well, might as well say $20. So I have a nice sized backyard, and I'm really thinking about maybe buying me a few chickens and starting me, to try to get me some hens and a rooster and start trying to, produce me some eggs because uh, I'm like I said, I'm thinking it's gonna be times. I think the time has come when but a lot of people do it anyway. Like I said, I was raised in a rural area, in which my parents farmed. We had fresh vegetables, and things of that nature, and that's why I'm thinking about going back to doing that by creating me some raised beds to be able to do that. Okay, yeah, and really we are supposed to clean to do a detoxification on ourselves every 3 months. Every time the season change, we should do a detoxification to to our bodies. We need to detoxify our bodies, like I said, due to the food, due to the environment, like the chemtrails, all this stuff they spraying up in the air. Like I'm sitting out here now, we inhaling whatever that is that they're spraying in the air. We inhaling that. So we really, I feel that it's a big need that we should detoxify our bodies. Now, I used to do that, but sometimes we can get so busy now. I haven't been doing it, but I said I'm gonna start this year. Um, Even though this company, I'm not affiliated with it or anything, but I used to order herbs from this company called Dehuti Mahadra, but I don't think he no longer sell them. But it's another herb company, D Herbs, I think. So I'm going to order some herbs from him and start my detoxification process. And you all let me know if you would like to join, because I do have a Facebook page to where that I have, because I have people that whenever I do one, they'll want to join in and do some juicing as well. You know, you would have to have, some people do smoothies, some people do the juices. Now I'm gonna be juicing with vegetables and fruits, certain fruits. So y'all let me know if you would be interested in doing that, and I can go ahead and get everything set up to start on the like I said, spring starts the 20th of March, which is like three more weeks from now. But I was thinking, like I said, I think I'm going to do a 3 or a 7 day juice fast. I hadn't made up my mind which one I'm gonna do yet, because I really need to do the 7 because I hadn't did the 7. I had, like I said, I hadn't detoxified my body. It's been a little while, and yeah. So if you all would like to do that, let me know, and I'll put the link to the Facebook page because I have some files in there, with juicing and how you can, the things that you would need to do, to juice and giving some recipes and things of that nature. But yeah, and also another thing I got to get back on track of, and that is exercising like I used to do. But this job that I work now, just like right now, I had to work today. That's why I'm doing the video. But this one, but it's I really didn't have time to sit out and plan out something. So I just because I had planned on doing detoxification, I said I was going to share that with you all. But yes, I exercising, yeah. Uh, But I said I really want to get more into yoga because flexibility is important as well. And I also like to walk because when you walk, especially in a park or in nature, that's walking meditation. You be in meditation while you walking, just listening to the birds, looking in the tree, looking at the trees, things of that nature. So that is considered to be walking meditation. So, but yeah, that's what I want to do. But also as well, I also believe in building muscle, especially like me at my age. I have to be mindful of that because the older you get, your muscles begin to deteriorate, and so you have to do some type of weightlifting, resistance exercises to be able to retain your muscle mass. So that's important as well. And, keeping a routine, whether you work out 2 or 3 days a week or whether you work out 2 days a week, the important key is consistency, staying consistent. So I'm not going to hold you all long because I know my other videos been kind of long, but I just wanted to share that with you all. And if you all let me know that you'll be interested in joining me on this juice fast, just let me know, and I'll put the Facebook page uh, in the in the description to where you all can join the group, and we can do this juice fast together to where we can so we can be more intuitive, to where we can be more intuitive, to where we can be able to hear more from spirit, getting those downloads, and and just being in tune, you know uh, just like looking at this tree, and I'm like, what is it that I need to know, things of that nature, so it's a beautiful thing, bird flying by now. So yeah, you all let me know if you all be interested in it. I'm not gonna hold you long today. And again, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and let me know if you want to hear, because I'm thinking about also incorporating a little wellness, especially detoxification, a little wellness and stuff, also with the spirituality, because we have to be, we have to have our minds and body equipped to be able to be spiritual. Because with life, the way life is today, is so busy, there's so much going on. So just let me know if you all will want to hear more on that, and I will come up with more videos on that. And another thing is too, I'm thinking about, I'm really an avid coffee drinker, and I'm really thinking about dropping coffee and start drinking herbal tea more. Now I drink herbal tea anyway, but I'm also a coffee drinker because I have to be at work so early, and I feel like I need it in order to make it through the day. But anyway, there are herbs uh, that can that can help you with that as well. That can give you energy to where you can make it out through the day. And yeah, so I'm thinking about dropping coffee because I can tell within my body that it's about time for me to leave it alone. So you all let me know if you all feel like you all need to drop coffee. Let me know. All right, you all take care, be blessed, and have a great day. Bye for now.